Ready to shake up your taste buds? Introducing the BlueCherry Lemon PoundQuake, a smoothie that's as bold as it sounds. You'll need 3 tablespoons of whole milk Greek yogurt, a handful of fresh juicy giant Peru blueberries, a splash of half and half, 1 teaspoon of pure maple syrup, and 1 slice of lemon pound cake. Blend it all together until smooth. Watch how these flavors come alive. Top it off with maraschino cherries and a drizzle of cherry juice. This is where the quake gets its shake. Perfectly sweet, tangy, and unforgettable. Every sip is a burst of blueberries, a zing of lemon, and the surprise of pound cake goodness. It's not just a smoothie, it's a Nutri-Gems original. Try the BlueCherry Lemon PoundQuake today and share your experience with Nutri-Gems. Subscribe for more gem-worthy recipes.